Hello everyone, welcome back to InputX. And in today's video, we're going through the third passage of our book, which is about palm trees. So without further ado, let's get started. As usual, we're going to read the paragraphs. We are going to read the sentences one by one, and we're going to analyze every one of them carefully, focusing on vocabulary, which we can use in either speaking or writing. So let's start. Topic is about palm trees. Palma daraxtlari. Of the world's 2,500 plus species of palm trees, the Palmyra palm is most important to man, next to the coconut palm, because it yields food and provides over 100 different useful end products. Birinchi tarjima qilib, keyin vocabulary analiz qilamiz. Dunyoning 2500 dan ziyod palma daraxtlarining turlaridan, degan so'z aytyapti. Turlaridan Palmira daraxti, o'sha palma daraxti eng muhim ekan odamzod uchun. Men degani erkaklar degan ma'noda kelmayapti. Odamzod uchun degan ma'noda kelyapti. Next to the coconut palm. Next to the degani bu yerdagi ma'nosi bu narsa bizada ikkinchi o'rinda turadi. Coconut palm birinchi o'rinda turadi. Xo'p, birinchi o'rinda coconut palm turadigan bo'lsa, ikkinchi o'rinda bu turar ekan. Hozir sizlarga example beraman. Gap tuzish bo'yicha, writingda foydalanish bo'yicha. O'shani yana yaxshilab tushunib olasizlar. Chunki bu nima qilar ekan? Bizga ovqatni tabiiy yetishtirib berar ekan. Yield food degani produce something naturally and provides over 100 different useful end products. Bizga berar ekan 100 dan ortiq har xil foydali tayyor mahsulotlarni. Xo'p, bizda birinchi yaxshi ishlatilgan vocab bu. Okay, let's make it a bit there. Yeah. Of the world's 200 and 2000 plus species, yeah, species of palm trees. Aytaylik, of the 200 students who passed the exam, half of them got 80 plus. Imtihon topshirgan 250 ta o'quvchidan yarmi 80 dan oshiq ball oldi. Yana bitta gap tuzadigan bo'lsak. Of the world's 10,000 plus bird species, yeah, the parrot is one of the most intelligent. 10 mingdan ziyod turlaridan to'tiqush eng aqllilaridan biri. I think you understood the meaning behind the sentence, yeah? Okay, let's move to the next one. İkincisi bizada is most important to man next to coconut palm dedi. Nimadur is most important to man next to coconut shunaqa yozilarmidi? Coconut palm. Okay. Buni qanday foydalansak bo'ladi endi? O'zi aytildi bizada, boya aytganimdek, o'sha palmira daraxti eng muhim ekan, coconut daraxtidan keyin. Masalan, water bilan gap tuzaylik. Suv bizga muhim, lekin nafas olish, havo u eng muhimi. Xuddi shunga gap tuzamiz. Water is most important to human survival deylik, odamzod yashash uchun. Survival next to oxygen. Bu gap bilan water'ni ikkinchi darajaga qo'yamiz. Water ikkinchi darajada muhim. Birinchi darajada bizda oksigen bor degan. Xo'p, bu gap ham tushunarli bo'ldi degan umiddaman. Xo'p, endi keyin gapimiz provides over 100 different useful end products. Bu ham yaxshi gap tuzilgandi. Buni tuzadigan bo'lsak, this factory, masalan, factory provides over 50 different types of eco-friendly packaging. Bu kompaniya 50 dan ortiq har xil turdagi tabiatga zarar bo'lmagan upakovkalardan foydalanar ekan. Bu bizda ham yaxshi gap bo'ldi. Xo'p, o'qishda davom etamiz. To obtain the majority of its benefits, the palmyra needs to be climbed twice daily to extract the nutritious juice from its flower bunches. Hop. Buni tarjima qiladigan bo'lsak, ko'pchilik foydasini olish uchun obtain degani biror narsani olish, okay? Its benefits, shu daraxt, palmira daraxti kuniga 2 marta chiqinishi kerak unga. Nima qilgani? Uni vitaminga boy sharbatini chiqarib olgan ekstrakt degan biror narsani qo'l bilan olish yoki pressing orqali olish, ezish orqali olish. From its flower bunch. Buni barglaridan olish uchun ekan. Xo'p, bundan nimani olsak bo'ladi? To obtain, nima olsak bo'ladi? To obtain the majority, yeah, of its benefits. Buni gapga qo'yadigan bo'lsak, to obtain the majority of benefits, you should exercise regularly. Kimsida the majority of nimadir desak bo'ladi. Buni tarjimasi bizda nima bo'ladi? Ko'pchiligi biror narsani, okay? We can say most of something. The majority of students who didn't come to the lesson were ill. Ko'pchilik kelmagan o'quvchilar, darsga kelmagan o'quvchilar kasal edi. Xo'p, bu ham bizda ketdi. Keyingisi, bizda it is this juice converted by several different methods that is the basis for a wide variety of other products. Aytib o'tganimizdek, bu passajlarda asosan non-defining clause juda ham ajoyib tarzda ishlatiladi. Ikkita komani o'rtasida. Bu yoqqa qaraydigan bo'lsak, ikkita koma o'rtasida ishlatilgan. O'zi gap qanaqa? It is this juice that is the basis for a wide variety of other products. Tarjima qiladigan bo'lsak, bu xuddi o'sha sharbat qaysiki bir necha har xil metallar orqali o'zgartirilgan va bu narsa nima ekan? Katta turdagi boshqa produktlar uchun asosiy narsa ekan. Xo'p, bu gapni bitta-bitta tarjima qilaylik, bitta-bitta vokabularni olib chiqaylik. It is this, noun qo'yamiz bu yoqqa va that qo'yamiz. Bu narsa asosan foydalanadi to put stress on something. Biror narsaga urg'u bermoqchi bo'ladigan bo'lsak, biror narsa ish harakatiga yoki odamga urg'u bermoqchi bo'ladigan bo'lsak, shu grammatikadan foydalansak bo'ladi. Buni bu grammatikaning o'z turi clef sentence deyiladi. Xo'p, gap tutadigan bo'lsak, it was this person from whom my dad bought a house. Bu mashu odam edi, mana dadam uy sotib olgan. Deymiz. Aytaylik, it is this car that I will buy in the future. Bu xuddi o'sha mashina qaysiki men kelajakda sotib oladigan deb gap yo'rg'a beramiz. Xo'p, keyingisi aytdik, bu xuddi o'sha sharbat qaysiki har xil metallar orqali o'zgartirilgan. Convert degani biror narsani o'zgartirish va uni yaxshiroq qilish uchun. Va bu narsa katta turdagi produktlar uchun asosiy narsa ekan. A wide variety of degan grammar ham olsa bo'ladi, chunki variety of. It means a lot of, we can say, yeah. For example, there are a wide variety of products you can buy. Katta turdagi, katta range-dagi, katta difference-dagi wide variety. I think we can say a lot of, yeah, a lot of products that you can buy. Xo'p, keyingisi. Collecting this juice, however, yana ikkita koma o'rtasida yashirilyapti. Linking wordda. However, is arduous. The word arduous means very difficult and often dangerous work. For the trees can top 30 meters in height. Okay. Buni yozaylik. Aytadigan bo'lsak, birinchi partni olaylik. Collecting this juice, however, is arduous and often dangerous. Don't ask prompts, okay. Gap zadigan bo'lsak, running a business, however, is arduous and often dangerous work. Writingda ajoyib ketadi. Ikkita koma o'rtasida ishlatish va mana bitta dashlarni ishlata olishlik. That's another level, okay. Xo'p, aytildi, bu sharbatni olish, lekin qiyin va odatda va bu juda ham xavfli bo'lar ekan, xavfli ish ekan. For the trees can top 30 meters in height. Ular uzunligida 30 metrdan oshib ketar ekan. Top ma'nosi aytdik boya, o'tib ketish, bironasidan oshib ketish. Gap so'zlaydigan bo'lsak, my company's sales have topped $1 billion this year. Mani kompaniyamning sotuvi bu yilda 1 milliard dollardan oshdi deb aytsak bo'lar ekan. Xo'p, bizda paragraf tugadi va exercise'ga o'tamiz. Birinchisi, bizda more than birinchi gapimizda chiqib keldi. Plus degan so'zga sinonim bo'layotgan edi. Xo'p, keyingisi produce naturally. Xo'p, produce naturally degan so'zimiz ma'nosi bizda yield food bo'ldi. Yield food. Yield qo'ysa bo'ladi. Final results after treatment or processing. Getga qo'ysa bo'lar ekan. Boya aytdik biz. To obtain the most of its benefits. O'sha paytdagi obtain degan so'zimiz bizga sinonim bo'lyapti ekan getga. Keyingisi, more than half of the total, most. Ko'pchiligi va yarmidan ko'pi. Qaysiki o'sha umumiy miqdordan hisoblangan. Bu narsa bizga the majority of bo'ldi. The majority of. O'zi majority degan so'zni qo'ysak bo'ladi. The majority of to'g'ri yozib qo'yamiz preposition bilan. Something good or useful. To obtain the benefits degan benefit bizga something good or useful ga sinonim bo'ladi. Get something from or out of something else. Biror narsani olish edi. Bu bizda boya extract ga sinonim bo'ldi, ya. Extract. Having high value as food containing vitamins. Ovqat sifatida juda ham katta qiymati bo'lish va juda ham ko'p vitaminlar o'z ichiga olish. Bu bizda nutritious ga sinonim bo'ldi. Nutritious. Okay. The next one. Change. Change is bizga convert bo'ldi boya. Tiring, involving a lot of energy. Charchatadigan va ko'p energiya talab qiladigan. Bu bizda arduous bo'ldi. Va oxirgisi be taller, higher or more than. Bu bizda topga sinonim bo'ldi. Xo'p, bu exercise'da tamom bizda. Endi exercise'ga o'tamiz. When the Palmyra is climbed twice a day, u qachonki 2 marta kuniga chiqarilsa, it's possible to get most of its benefits. Uni ko'pchilik foydasini olish mumkin bo'lar ekan. Bu bizda aytilmadi. U yo'q, aytildi uncha. Aytildi boshda bizga. To obtain the majority of its benefits, yeah. To obtain the majority of its benefits, the Palmyra needs to be climbed twice daily. Yeah, the answer is going to be A. Xo'p, bu yerda ham bizga yaxshi bir lug'at bor ekan, buni yozib olsak bo'ladi. It's possible to degan so'zni olsak bo'ladi. Biror narsani iloji bor, biror narsani qilsa bo'ladi degan ma'noda kelyapti. Okay, let me think. Let me come up with one nice example. It's possible to get it's possible to get a higher score if you study hard. Okay, let's make the sentence a little bit simpler. Next one. Strict safety measures are taken. Bizda passiv voice yaxshi ishlatilgan. Qattiq qo'riqlash o'lchovlari olingan. The best coconuts can be picked. Eng doğru coconutlar olinishi mumkin. It encourages the tree to grow over 30 meters. Bu daraxtni 30 metrdan oshiq o'sishiga qo'llab-quvvatlaydigan. Bu gapga ham tutsak bo'ladi. Encourages the tree to nimadir qilgani. Aytaylik. A healthy diet encourages, let's say children, yeah, to grow to their full potential. That's again a good sentence. Okay, let's continue. The flowers are collected for processing. Yeah, I think you understood the sentence. Next one. According to the passage, each palm tree can produce over 100 coconuts. No, that's not the answer. Har bir palma daraxti 100 dan ortiq kokonatlar ishlab chiqaradi. No. The juice from coconuts is very nutritious. Bu haqida informatsiya bor bizda. Lekin bu judayam bir eng to'g'ri bo'lgan javob deb o'ylayman. Lekin agar qo'yganlar to'g'ri kelmasa, B ga qaytamiz. There are at least 2,500 types of palm trees. Bu to'g'ri kelishi mumkin. Erta kamida 2000 dan ziyod, 2,5 mingdan ziyod palma daraxt turlari bor. There are several different ways of collecting palmyra flower juice. Yo, bitta metodi bor, u ham qilib qilinishi kerak edi. Many people rely on palm trees for their basic food requirements. They didn't talk about this one, so I think the answer is going to be C here. Okay, let's continue. The juice from the palmyra's flower bunches is better quality if the tree is at least 30 meters high. Quality sifat yaxshi bo'lar ekan, agar daraxtlar 30 metrdan baland bo'ladigan bo'lsa. Bu haqida gapirilmadi. Is only produced at certain times of the day. Kunning ma'lum bir vaqtlarida ishlab chiqariladi. Yo'q, bu emas. Gets converted into over 100 different food types. 100 dan ortiq turdagi ovqatlarga o'zgartiriladi, qo'shiladi degan aytilyapti. Bu ham emas. U foydali bo'ladi, fundament deyil, lekin ular unga change qilinadi degan ma'noga gapirib chiqmadi bizda. Is extracted by pressing the picked flowers. Olingan gullarni ezish orqali olinar ekan. Bu ham bizda aytilmadi. Provides raw material for many other products. Va bizda javob shu bo'ladi. Ko'pchilik boshqa produktlarga xom materiallar beradi. Uni biz qayerdan olamiz? Bu aytildi. It is this juice converted by several different methods that is the basis for a wide variety of other products. Boshqa produktlar uchun bu asosiy ekan. Raw material degani o'zi bizda xom material degani. Basisga sinoni qilib olsak bo'ladi. Okay, bizda exercise 3. The results nimadir qilganimiz weren't what we had expected. So we may have to carry out the experiment again. We obtained, yeah, probably. Bu ham yaxshi grammatika olsak bo'ladi. Aytaylik. The results I got weren't what I had expected. Man olgan rezultatlar kutganimchalik emas edi. Aytaylik, the rate of sales or the increase in sales wasn't what I had expected. Sotuvda bo'lgan o'sish men kutganimchalik emas edi, deyapti ekan. So we may have to carry out the experiment again. Carry out nimadir. Aytaylik, bitta biror narsani boshqadan qilish. Olimlar, scientists had to carry out the test again to provide more evidences. Ko'proq evidence proof'da ko'proq proof. In Uzbek, how's it gonna be? Dalil, yes. Ko'proq dalillar berish uchun ular testni boshqatdan qilishlari kerak edi. Hop, bizada keyingisi. For the first time in the company's history, kompaniyaning tarixida endi birinchi martada sales have nimadir qildi 10 milliondan. 10 milliondan o'tdi degan bo'lsak bo'ladi. Have topped 10,000, 10, yeah, 10 million dollars, yeah. That's a big number. For the first time in nimadir, okay? You can say for the first time in Uzbekistan's history, we have free, we are free from taxes. O'zbekiston tarixida birinchi marta biz soliqlardan ozodmiz deyilyapti ekan. Okay, next one. If you're planning to grow your own tomatoes, I would recommend planting this variety as it provides as qaysi ma'noda kelyapti? As because ma'noda kelyapti. Ko'ramiz buni. As it generally nimadir a larger crop than other types. Generally yields, yeah. Aytyapti, agar sen o'zingni pomidorlaringni ekmoqchi bo'ladigan bo'lsang, men senga maslahat beraman, shu turdan foydalanish, chunki bu odatda kattaroq hosil oladi, ishlab chiqaradi, tabiiy ishlab chiqaradi boshqa turlarga qaraganda. Bu yerdan I would recommend olsak bo'ladi. I would recommend planting this variety. We can say I would recommend studying this topic in more depth before the exam. Masalan, maslahat beraman shu topikka chuqurroq o'rganish imtihondan oldin. Okay, let's continue. The best quality olive oil is that which is nimadir qilingan from the olives at first pressing. Extract, yeah, which is extracted from olives at the first press. Okay. During the fermentation period of winemaking, the natural sugar in grapes is converted to alcohol. Okay. Fermentation degani freezing, okay? Muzlatish. Vino qilish jarayonining muzlatishida tabiiy shakar, qaysiki o'sha uzumlardagi is converted to alcohol. Alkoholga qo'shilgan ekan, o'zgartirilgan ekan deyman kelyapti bizda. Yes, and we are done with our third passage. That was a pretty good passage. We learned a lot of nice, useful chunks. And the bottom line here is, guys, the bottom line is activating vocabulary. At least half of them. That's a good word, the bottom line, okay? The bottom line means the most important fact in something, okay? The bottom line from these passages is activating vocabulary, at least half of them. Try to go back to the videos and watch them again and try to learn every vocabulary by heart, okay? And then you can improve your general English and your IELTS thing as a whole. So, thank you for watching the video. See you all, guys, in our next videos.